first things first, let's start to label the diagram. So I'm going to call the height here h for the height of the flagpole. Now, looking at the problem and taking the distances, we have a distance for the wire. That long wire here is given as 41 meters. Let's write that in and label it, 41 meters there. And we also are given the length across here from the base to where it's attached on the ground. That's 15 meters. Let's write that in too. Okay, we've labeled the diagram. We can look at it now. Yes, we have the hypotenuse. We have one of the lengths. We're looking for the height. So what we do now is put it into the equation. So let's write up the equation first. And the equation will be h squared plus 15 squared equals 41 squared. Okay, let's check by pointing. We have the height h right there. There's the height. We also have the 15. That's at the base down here. That's 15 squared, and that equals the hypotenuse. That's the hypotenuse there. We know that it's the hypotenuse because it's not attached to the right angle down there at the base of the flagpole. So that's our equation. We've pointed, we've checked. Now our mission is to solve it. So let's go ahead and solve it. So we're going to have here h squared plus, now 15 squared on the calculator is 225. And that's going to equal 41 all squared. Now 41 times 41 gives us a grand total of 1,681. So that's a pretty big number there. Now let's get h squared by itself. So let's take away 225 from both sides. So we want to get rid of this number here so we can leave that by itself, right? So we're going to take away 225 on this side of the equals and also on that side. So let's take away 225. Now over here the 225 simply cancel. Let's get rid of them. They're gone. So we're left with h squared by itself here on the left hand side. So that's h squared equals, now 1,681. Take away 225 on the calculator gives us a grand total of 1,456. Okay, we want to leave h by itself, so we need to square root both sides. So let's do that. Square root that side, square root that side. Remember, what you do to one side, you also do to the other side of the equal sign. So the square root of h squared here on the left is h reverting back to itself, just h. Now 1,456 square rooted will give us a grand total. In other words, the height here of the flagpole is 38.16 meters.
Take a minute to check out our website at http://www.vividmaths.com. You'll find additional resources, cheat sheets, transcripts, and other maths videos that are not available on YouTube. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to get access to all the written answers for your maths questions, plus other special offers.